Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Purple color. A for apple. B for boat. C for cow. D for donut. E for ear. Orange color. F for fruits. G for girl. H for honey. I for eyes. J for juice. Light green color. A P L E apple. B A T bat. C O W cow. D O N U T donut. E A R ear. Blue color. Fruits. Fruits. GIRL girl. HONEY honey. ICE eyes. JUICE juice. A for apple, B for bat, C for cow, D for donut, E for ear, F for fruit, G for girl, H for honey, I for eyes, J for juice. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.